This is 1 Emerson Place, apartment 12N. This is a 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom apartment. So big closet right here when you walk in your entryway. Really large, spacious living room area here with a pass-through to your kitchen. Living room includes this nice alcove space, about 5 feet in width. That could be really used for anything, really versatile space here. And then you get a nice north-facing view. Really beautiful day here in Boston. Take a look at the kitchen as well. So nice kitchen, a lot of counter space in here. This comes equipped with a gas stove, dishwasher, disposal, pretty standard appliances, hall closet. And you have your first bathroom right here with a tub. And the first bedroom, this has a nice sized closet in it. And again, that north-facing view, very nice. And then finally we come to your master suite. Really spacious bedroom in here. Could definitely accommodate a king bed. You get an east-facing view here, looking out over our great lawn. Very nice. Closet space right here, as well as your master suite bathroom. This does have a glass shower. And then we have your master closet, nice walk in there.